Good morning, guys. Afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to Vlogmas, the vlog, whatever you're calling it at this point. I don't know, I think I'm like 5 or 6 days in now, I can't remember. But woke up this morning to some good news. That's right, we finally have a date. Today, it should be here. I'm not gonna take you guys with the work or anything like that. So parts are at the front door when we get home, and that's where we're going to pick it up right now. All right, guys, I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. The bad news is it was rescheduled for delivery, but the good news is it somehow showed up, finally. Everyone's excited for this long boy here. So yeah, maybe you guys have guessed. I think it might be pretty obvious now what it is, but we're gonna take it outside and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then we'll, quick unboxing. And just so you guys know I'm not like joking around here. So if you look, November 29th, started in California, left on the 29th, you know, gets going. December 3rd, it just kept saying in transit. Remember, it was supposed to come on the 3rd. Finally on the 6th, sorting complete, out for delivery, and then it goes back for some reason. I don't know what the heck was going on. And then it said re-delivery scheduled. And I went to the post office and they were like, oh yeah, it's at your house. So sure enough, they're right, it's here. So I've been waiting to pick some of these up for a while just to kind of see. And I've told you in previous videos that I wanted to order these. I am pretty excited to have these finally in my possession and see how they look and work and fit and things like that. So as you guys may have guessed, these are the NA Miata side skirts that are supposed to fit on the NC Miata. So here they are. I'm gonna take them out of the package and we'll do like a little bit more up close look. So these are NA Miata side skirts or side splitters, whatever you want to call them. They are just a tiny bit short, like just barely. It's actually surprising to me because everyone always, I mean, the NC is a much bigger Miata than the NA. So I was kind of surprised that these fit as well as they do. And I was taking a look at them. Most of the time people get really wavy ones, but these look really straight. At least, I mean, to me it does. They don't look too bad at all. So yeah, I'm really excited to put these on and see how they look, which won't be in this video. So just kind of keeping with things. This is a vlog. It's gonna be a vlog. It's gonna be the unboxing. So stay tuned for this weekend and I will install these. So they'll be going on the car and that will be like an install video like you guys are normally here for, and I get that. So you'll have an install video this weekend, but this vlog's not over. So NA side skirts are in and I'll kind of mock them up so you can see them and everything, but I'm not installing them. All right, so as you can see behind me, we've got the car in the garage now. So we can kind of do like a mini mock-up sort of thing. I'm not positive which end is which. I think that side is the rear. We're just gonna take this one right here. So you can kind of see how like, it's just a little bit short. I guess this side could scoot down some. That's pretty much where it'll be right there. Actually, it's perfect. Okay, I lied. So it's just as long on this side as this side. So it should fit nicely. And I think that's gonna look pretty good. You can definitely see that it's a little bit wider than the Home Depot ones, which is kind of what I was initially going for. I really wanted like the wider, more aggressive side splitter thing, but I also like the subtlety of the Home Depot ones. So yeah, I'm excited to put these on. I think I'm gonna probably do it on Saturday. One thing that I messed up is, so today is Thursday, but this video is not gonna go up until Saturday for you guys. So, because tomorrow, or today for you, or no, yesterday, I'm live streaming on Friday. So, see now I got myself all messed up. This is the first time I've done this, if you can't tell. So this video is coming out Saturday, so you'll see the install video tomorrow. On Sunday is when the install video will come out. So yeah, that sounds right. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday, and I hope you're having a good weekend in general. So yeah, this is kind of the little mock-up thing, mock-up video of the side splitter, and I think it looks pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I hope that whoever's watching is enjoying it at least. I kind of I've liked making these daily vlogs. I know not a ton has been going on, but now that like parts are rolling in, it's a little more exciting. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying your December. Hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. Happy holidays, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate, Kwanzaa. I don't know. I hope you're having a wonderful end of the year to 2018. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and I will see you tomorrow.